Okay, let's put the cupcake liners in. Can you help me with this? Okay, put that one in. Put them in. Here, put one in. Good job.
No.
Oh, put that one in there. Okay, let's turn it around. Oh, put it in that one.
Jiggle.
Okay, thank you. Here. Open it. That one over there. Nice. Okay, one more. Oh, it goes over there. Good job. Okay, let's put the batter in. Ready? Can you help me pour it in? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't pull away. Got on your pants. Okay, maybe this is a job for Mommy. Alright, we'll fill up the cupcakes and come back.